Today I'll show you how to build your very own app with Cursor and CodeSpring, no coding required. But today I'll show you a simple process to go from zero to your first app without touching a single line of code. All thanks to CodeSpring and Cursor. The first step is to actually define what type of app we want to build. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel, so instead we'll just take inspiration from an existing workout tracking app. For our project, we'll keep it real simple. We'll log workouts, be them by day, and get motivational quotes by The Rock. Because who doesn't want that? Once we know what we want, it's time to turn that idea into a plan. CodeSpring will help us break down our app into features, like adding a workout, viewing them by day, and adding motivational quotes. The thing with AI tools like Claude or Cursor is that they don't think in leaps like we do, so we have to be extremely clear in every single step. Again, this is where CodeSpring is super powerful because it will generate an entire roadmap for us from the feature list to the user journey. In this way, Cursor won't miss anything. So let's go to the dashboard and create a new project called Beginner Fitness Tracker. Here we'll add the project name, project description, and the key features. After you've written your project description, make sure to include also your key features. So we want our app to give us random workouts with exercise names and reps, and log if we have completed each exercise and or the entire workout. We also want to be able to view today's workouts. We also want it to give us motivational quotes from The Rock every time we log successfully an exercise, as well as a funny image of The Rock. Now that we know what features we want for our app, we'll just go to the next step, click on CodeSpring, and generate with it. Now, as you can see, it has created the entire mind map for us. So we can go into more detail and see the exact tech stack that is required, as well as some competitors that already exist, as well as the target audience. And of course, as you can see, it has also created all the feature set that we need. Here we see the random workout generator, the workout logging, the daily workout view, as well as a motivational quote and GIF. Normally, this would have taken hours to figure out and write down, even talking to ChatGPT. You can also click on each of these nodes and see more specifically what the feature does. In this case, we want to get even more specific, so we'll just add quotes here. We'll just go to some online directory and copy all of these quotes by The Rock. And now we will just go ahead and paste them. Now, let's bring this project into life. Let's get the boilerplate from the center and copy it. Now we will go to Cursor, open a new project, a new folder, and name it Fitness Tracker. Now that we've created the folder, we will just want to open it in Cursor and make sure that we open up the terminal. Here we'll just write git clone and copy paste the entire boilerplate. As you can see, the boilerplate includes some very important stuff such as the dashboard. So this is actually saving us some days of work. Now we will go back to CodeSpring, click on the plus sign, and generate each product required document for all of our features. Now it has generated each product requirement for all of the features, and all we have to do is download them into our computer. So now we'll go back to Cursor and just drag all the product required documents from our computer to the PRD section. Also, we wanted a fun rock GIF, so we'll just go ahead and use this one. We'll download it to our computer and just drag it to the videos folder. We will now tell Cursor to build this app and tag all the product required documents. And don't worry, if you don't see a product required document when you're trying to tag it, just go over here and click Add Files to Cursor Chat. As you can see, Cursor just goes to town and builds it because it understands every single requirement thanks to CodeSpring. And I haven't written a single line of code. Now that it has finished building, we can just go to the terminal and run npm run dev. After, we will just follow this link to our app. Usually this is something beginners struggle to set up, but CodeSpring takes care of everything for us. Now we can see that there's our daily fitness tracker app. We'll just click on it. And as you can see, we get a random workout for the day. And here's our simple fitness tracker app. I can log a workout, get motivational quotes from The Rock, and see him if I complete a workout. Check the link in the description to try it yourself.